So what we're doing here is Emsculpt on the buttocks. It's like a non-invasive booty lift, and he is getting the equivalent of 20,000 squats in a 30-minute period. He uses electromagnetic energy. We call it high FEM, and that stands for high intensity focused electromagnetic energy. It's a protocol of 4 treatments over 2 weeks, twice a week for 2 weeks, and each treatment is 30 minutes. How does that feel?
Good.
So I'm going to turn you up a little bit.
Yeah, you can take it to all there as well.
Okay?
Yeah. So how is this technology different from, say, cool sculpting?
So basically, cool sculpting uses cold or cryo technology to just kill fat through apoptosis. And what Emsculpt does is use electromagnetic energy to actually build the muscle. And then our studies show a secondary benefit of lipolysis or fat reduction. So the biggest difference is the type of energy being electromagnetic, and that energy is cryo.
And so is it the same treatment that you're doing on the abdomen that you would do on the buttocks?
Yeah, it's pretty much the same. The algorithm is slightly different, but it's pretty much the same treatment, same type of energy, same protocol, twice a week for 2 weeks, and to get an ab treatment. You can also treat the thighs, and then in a few, probably 3 months, we'll be having an arm applicator for the biceps, triceps, and calves.
And so can you describe the experience of the treatment, how the treatment cycles?
So basically you get, it's 5 6-minute cycles. 2 minutes is contractions like this, and then you get 2 minutes of longer contractions, and you get 2 minutes of what sounds like tapping, and that helps to eliminate the lactic acid buildup so you don't have delayed onset soreness. So this would be the tapping. So it's helping to process that lactic acid out so she's not sore. She's doing, like I said, 20,000 squats in 30 minutes, and without this part of the protocol, she'd be pretty sore, but she won't be with this.